I'll be wrong up in my
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl and my darling angel. Yes, darling. So guys, guess who we have here? Well, don't mind this face. This is my natural face, like without makeup, nothing. You see that? So guys, guess who we have here? This is my beautiful daughter, my angel, my love. So guys, now please, if you are new to this YouTube channel of mine, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also, you see, she's so troublesome. She's greeting you guys. So guys, please, if today is the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, or you are just like you came to peep, darling, don't just leave without subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification bell so that you get notified anytime and every time your babe upload a new video, because you know your subscription motivates me to do more. Your subscription gives me the urge to do more, darling. So please, before going, watch the video, leave a nice comment, and thanks for coming. Love you all. So guys, before we start, I've already washed the hair. I've detangled it. This is how it is. Don't mind that it's thick, but if you stretch it, you see how long it is. So I'm just going to comb it one more time. So we are going to be doing a packing gel, if you know what is called Ponytail, but in this case we normally used to call it a packing gel, but now they have upgraded the name to Ponytail. You can imagine. So I have I have this hair I bought from AliExpress. So I actually bought 2 of it. So let me bring it out so that you can see it. This is how it is. You see? It's like this. And yeah, thank you. Yeah, no, don't touch that. So it's actually like this. It has this. Please, Nadia, I'm talking. No. To tight it, you tight it. If you want to loosen it, you can also loosen it. You see, they package it with this paper right here. I don't know what it means, but that is not a problem. I love the hair because it's soft. Actually, it's not a human hair, it's a synthetic hair. Yeah, so it's very soft. I love how it feels. It feels so soft and I love it. So guys, I'm going to be using just one today. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be detangling our hair once again, because this hair right here is very strong. Very, very strong. Yeah. So just take this comb and give it gently comb. In the center of the hair, just like, let me show you guys, just like this, you see. So I'm going to be taking it in a circular motion, then I'm going to be weaving it with an attachment.
Pita pita. Like a bird on a tree. Pita pita pita.
I'm just sitting here.
So I have this extension like this attachment here. Yep. Yes.
I don't have a part.
Yes. Don't worry.
The world seems small.
I don't have a part.
We can sit together.
So I'm going to be taking this quantity right here to with the center of the hair.
We meant to be in the great outdoors.
So guys, I'm through within the center of the hair. This is how it is. So let me show you the center to show you how it is. Can you see that? So this is how it is. Yeah.
Sometimes you need to go.
So now I have this gel right here, which I'm going to be using. Give it to me, Dad. I'm going to be using it. So I'm just going to be using to slick her hair down. Is how it is inside. Yeah. So I'm just going to be using it one after the other, like to slick it down one after the other.
In the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I just use my hand to divide some parts, and then I use the gel to slick it, to lay it down.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
So guys, I've tied the bund,
We meant to be.
I mean the center. So I'm just going to be taking a little of her hair to do this lay, to give it I don't know what it's called though, but anyway, I'm going to be doing it for my angel princess.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So guys, this is how it looks now, but for the holding I'm going to be spraying this what is it called, styling spray, extra strong oud, well balanced styling spray for all hair type. Yeah, so I'm going to be spraying this on her hair to make to remove this whitening things you see here. I don't know if you can see it very well, so let me bring the camera a little bit closer. You see it, this whitening that comes with the gel. So I'm going to be spraying it this one to remove the white those things. So just going to cover her face to prevent it from entering her eyes. So while I spray,
I got time, clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
so you see,
We can sit
that is for that.
It's so
So now I'm going to be drying the hair off camera with my dryer. So guys, we'll be right back. So guys, now I'm going to be applying the hair. I'm going to fix the hair right now, because as you can see, it's an elastic right here, and there is this what is it called, this thing here where you can just draw it tighter, make it clip very well. So I'm just going ahead to fix it right now. You see why this place, bend your head down a little bit. You see why this place is necessary, because that is where you are going to be clipping the hair, just like this.
From a distance you can tell.
And then you just draw the rubber close, tight it a little bit. With this rubber, you just use it to round it.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Yeah.
You and me. Like a bird on a tree.
The hair is not properly dried, but I just dried a little that I can work with. Then when we come outside, the sun will do the remaining drying process. Dry. So I'm just going to be spraying this water and oil I have here. So I'm just going to be spraying it a little bit.
Together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
In the center. Okay, I think it's good now. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just going to take her out so that the hair will dry properly. So please, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me show you how
I got
the hair
time.
look. Yeah.
It's clear to see from up here. The world's
So this is how the hair looks.
we can sit
Yeah. On your head, please. On it, on your head.
you and
Yeah.
me.
So hope you guys love the hairstyle.
In the great outdoors.
Please, if you do, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. Love you guys so very much.